Hello friends, in this video tutorial I will tell you that how can you give your images a cinematic look just like so in Adobe Photoshop. So without any further ado, let's get started. I will give the link in the description box to download it. First of all, that's your background image. Ctrl J to duplicate it. For the duplicated layer, hide the background layer, and you can see here from new layer panel, click on gradient map. When you have created this gradient map, simply click on this arrow icon and you can see here the first gradient, just like so, the first gradient. And now simply select your eraser tool and start erasing this area. Once you are satisfied with your selection, simply go to the modes and from normal to make it overlay, and you can see our final result is this image. That's how you can give a cinematic look to your images in Adobe Photoshop. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for such updates. Thanks.